Well, it wasn't one. Actually, it's not one house, but two. 122 Madison Avenue, right at the corner of Daniels. And this tree come down, took down a wire. And the other one, the big issue's right there. We're going to move down a little bit, but that's what's going on here. Damn. Morning. Good. What's up?
They came to cut it last night. Yeah, they cut it last night.
Burr.
Yeah. I gotta get up there on the water side.
This is actually it's 162 Madison. That's 62, 162. Jesus. Well, here we are, 283 Dewey, right around the corner from the first two tree incidents. This tree actually looked like it doesn't look like it's been damaged, but you know, it can fool you by looking at it. It did come down on some wires. Well, here we are, another tree on wires at the corner of Robbins and Prospect Street, here on the west side of Pittsfield. Just seems awfully strange. I'd be waiting for trains, and all of a sudden this all takes place within a matter of minutes because of the high winds. Fire department's coming. A little more video. This is one of the weirdest ones yet.